Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. What are the object-oriented features supported by Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language and supports the following object-oriented features. Encapsulation. Java allows encapsulation, which is the practice of hiding the implementation details of an object from other objects. This is achieved through the use of access modifiers. Inheritance. Java supports inheritance, which allows a new class to be based on an existing class, inheriting its attributes and methods. This enables code reuse and makes it easier to create new classes that have common properties with existing classes. Classes and objects. Java is a class-based language, which means that it provides constructs for defining classes and creating objects from those classes. Polymorphism. Java supports polymorphism, which allows objects of different classes to be treated as if they were objects of a common superclass. This can be achieved through method overriding and method overloading. Abstraction. Java allows abstraction, which is the process of hiding complex implementation details and providing a simplified interface for the user. This can be achieved through abstract classes and interfaces. What are the different access specifiers used in Java? Java has 4 access specifiers. Public, can be accessed by any class or method. Protected, can be accessed by the class of the same package, or by the subclass of this class, or within the same class. Default, are accessible only within the package, is the default option for all classes, methods, and variables. Private, can be accessed only within the class. What is the difference between composition and inheritance? Composition has a relationship, where a class contains an object of another class as a member variable. Inheritance is a relationship, where a subclass extends a superclass to inherit its attributes and methods. What is the purpose of an abstract class? An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated and is used as a base class for other classes to inherit from. It can contain abstract methods, which are declared but not implemented in the abstract class and must be implemented in the subclasses. What are the differences between constructor and method of a class in Java? Constructor is used for initializing the object state, whereas method is used for exposing the object's behavior. Constructors have no return type, but methods should have a return type. Even if it does not return anything, the return type is void. If the constructor is not defined, then a default constructor is provided by the Java compiler. The constructor name should be equal to the class name. A constructor cannot be marked as final, because whenever a class is inherited, the constructors are not inherited. A method can be defined as final, but it cannot be overridden in its subclasses. What is the diamond problem in Java, and how is it solved? The diamond problem is an issue that can arise in programming languages that support multiple inheritance, where a class inherits from 2 or more classes that have a common ancestor. This can cause ambiguity in the method resolution order, leading to unpredictable behavior. In Java, multiple inheritance is not supported directly, but it can be simulated using interfaces. A class can implement 1 or more interfaces, effectively inheriting their properties and methods. What is the difference between local and instance variables in Java? Instance variables are accessible by all the methods in the class. They are declared outside the methods and inside the class. These variables describe the properties of an object and remain bound to it. Local variables are those variables present within a block, function, or constructor and can be accessed only inside them. The utilization of the variable is restricted to the block scope. What is a marker interface in Java? Marker interfaces or tagging interfaces are those which have no methods and constants defined in them. They help the compiler and JVM get run-time-related object information.